Hello Android fans. Today I'm going to show you the TV-Out functionality of the HTC Droid Incredible hooked up to my car, Range Rover Sport. And here's the cable. It's a micro USB cable with a composite out at the end and another micro USB pass-through for charging. And all you do is just plug it in. And once you plug it in, it comes up. It works both in portrait and landscape mode. As you can see, I'm using a Launcher Pro launcher. I dumped the HTC Sense default UI because it doesn't go into landscape mode, and it works very well. Let's go through this real quick. And if you remember from a few years back, I had the same thing hooked up with my Windows mobile device. Going to high quality. As you can see here, it's just a little cable that plugs in to the side, and this is the OEM NAV. I'll switch to it. Forgive the background noise, it's raining today. As you can see here, it pretty much duplicates everything you see. You got PowerPoint, photos, internet. That was then, this is now. Again, this is the HTC Droid Incredible with the TV out, and you just saw a YouTube clip. Let's go to home real quick. Now let's check out the web browser. And there you are, surfing the web from my car. Well, I wouldn't recommend driving and surfing at the same time, but I'm just showing you that it's possible. So that's a web browser. Let's go to music real quick. This is the HTC Sense default music player, and it only works in portrait mode. So you will have to find apps that work in landscape mode. I pretty much use Mixzing. So as you can see, pick your apps wisely. Mixzing works. Pandora works. So you can listen to Pandora while you're driving. Get the album art. That's cool, huh? Let's quit that real quick. What else works? Twitter. Twitter works. So Twitter in your car. Pretty cool, huh? The built-in car panel doesn't really work. It only works in portrait mode. So again, choose your apps wisely. And here we have the some music videos. Video plays very well. On some codecs, it will crash the TV out. I've had it crash before. I can't really reproduce it right now, but if you're playing high bitrate video, or if you have a lot of apps running, notifications, the system will slow down and it will crash. But overall, it works pretty well. Maybe I can reproduce it later. So there's video, you got YouTube, you got music playback, you got pretty much everything that you want to do on the phone through the TV out. Just to show you how cool it is, let's go through the camcorder real quick. So this is the camcorder. As you can see, this is inside my car. This is the camera, and I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping myself videotaping. This is a iPhone 4. I'm making this video with an iPhone 4. So everything you see on the screen of the phone is displayed through the display out. So unlike some of the other Droid devices that has HTML out, this is not locked down. I think the Droid X only allows you to see certain videos
through the photo gallery. Blockbuster and YouTube is blocked off, but not with this. The cool thing about this device is everything you see on the phone is outputted through your monitor or TV. So folks, that's one cool thing about the HTC Droid Incredible. Again, I'm going to say, try to work with apps or applications that work in landscape mode. And the thing that I like the most, navigation. I use the navigation to, I'm replacing the navigation of my car system, replacing it with the built-in, with the OEM, I'm replacing my OEM navigation with Google's Nav. I like it because it works with all the apps. You get satellite view. Pretty cool, huh? So here's satellite view in my Range Rover Sport, replacing the OEM nav. And I'm going to go here real quick and I'm going to toggle back the other nav so you can see. So this is the built-in nav. See how ugly it is, how old it is. Switch back. And this is the Google Nav. So the system I have hooked up is through composite, and it goes through a GVIF adapter that bypasses my navigation system. This GVIF adapter works on any car that uses the GVIF protocol. So you have Jaguar, Land Rover, Lexus, even the Prius use the same protocol. So any car that has the GVIF protocol, you can get a GNet box, and you can have up to 3 devices. And right here I have one device. I have the HTC Droid Incredible. So if you want to get this in your car, you can do that. By the way, I'm going to be selling my GVIF adapter. I'm getting the new 2011 Range Rover Sport, and that doesn't use GVIF anymore. So I'll be putting that box for sale on eBay soon. But so here you have the Droid Incredible. Let's exit navigation with TV-Out, and that's one of the cool reasons why I bought this device. So when I'm going off-roading, let me show you another cool app. This is inclinometer. It's for the Nissan SUV, but it works well in this car. So let's say you're going off-road. Oops. If you're going off-road like this and that, you can incline. It can tell you your descent and approach. So that's just one thing that is cool. And that's it for today, guys. So this is pure heaven, guys. I got Pandora streaming and Google Nav replacing my built-in car's navigation system. You get the satellite layers, real-time traffic. It's pretty cool. Overall, I'm gonna say this is a better setup than a CARPC. You have navigation, you have web browsing, you got music and video playback. You also have you can have like ODBC apps that monitor your car through Android. You know, just plugging it in and cable. It works very well. There are times that it does crash, and when it crashes the system, and you have to reboot the phone. And that happens when you play like a file, like a video file with a high bit rate, like a 720p file, or if you have a lot of apps running and you're low on memory, the TV-Out will slow the system down and the screen will be unresponsive. But overall, I have to say that I really like this setup. And again, I picked the Incredible over like the Evo, and I'm thinking about the Droid X, but you know, considering that the Droid X HDMI out only works with the video player, the built-in video player, is sort of a bummer. This implementation is everything that's mirrored on the phone goes out to your TV or monitor output, and to me that's what I want. I have everything I want. I got Pandora, I got Google navigation with layer and traffic, I've got my Twitter and Facebook feeds, so the cable is well worth the money.